Well, folks, it's Philip again, and we're going inside our 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. It's a beautiful boat. It's a beautiful day. Just starting spring right now, and we just climbed inside. Doesn't get much better. This has the rare dinette layout. A lot of them have an L-shaped settee here. This has the dinette layout, so that can drop into another double berth if you so choose. But you can actually sit opposite each other and eat with 4 people at the table there. Has all the bills for that engine rebuild that was done. It's a 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. Island Queen forward. Great visibility, opening hatches. The galley's in beautiful shape. There used to be a TV set there, but the owners now added a toaster and a coffee maker, and this slides out somehow. Not that I remember how to do that, but it does. You got your Corian countertops, sink, 2-burner electric stove, nice size fridge, microwave oven, your electrical panel with your generator starter on there. That's where it is, the battery switches, etc. I'll come back to that when we do our generator startup. Aft cabin that turns into a full-size double berth. It has a dehumidifier. You know, the one thing about this boat is it does not have any funky smells. It is fresh and clean. It smells it too. And then in the head area, we have a vacuum flush head system, a Dometic telephone style shower, vanity mirror as well, toothbrush. We'll take that out when you buy it. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales.com, 604-708-1980. 30 years in business under Pacific Coast Yacht Sales name, bonded and licensed. Doing this for a long time. Great looking boat. 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. Watch your startup videos on this boat. Watch the generator startup too. I've done an engine room video. They're all so important. You're seeing it from my eyes, what you're going to come and look at. There's no surprises. This boat is in great shape, realistically priced, assumable moorage. Come and take a look. Great value in a 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. Again, thanks for watching.